I'm back with the fourth video of list manipulation, or the last video of the list manipulation. In this video, we are going to learn how we can remove elements from a list. So, there are different types of functions which we can use to remove values from a list, or remove elements from a list. So, there's a first function del. Using del, you can remove single value from a list after specifying the location of a element. So let's see. Suppose I want to delete a value of what I can say. I want to remove h from my list. For that, I am going to write the location of this particular element. So as we know कि it always starts from zero location. So the p जो है मेरा वो zero location पे है, y मेरा first पे है, then second, and this is my third location. So if I will write here del L3, L is my list name, and I'm writing here 3 means third location की value को delete करना है. So after writing this command, when I will write here print L, you can see this will be my output. H will not be there because just now we have removed H using del function. So this is again your inbuilt function, you can see. So if you want to remove multiple values using the same function, for that you have to use slicing, as we have done here. This is L. Again, I have taken new value of Python, that is L value is Python, and you can remove second location to fifth location, all the values, second location to fifth, because 6 we are not going to count. So second, third, fourth and fifth, I'm going to remove now 4 values from the list. So अगर मैं देखूं second value, so this is my 0, this is 1, and this is my 2. So यहाँ से I am going to 2, 3, 4 and 5. I am going to remove all values from my list, and when I am going to print L list, so this will be your output. 0 and 1 location की value रह गई है, rest आपने यहाँ पर delete कर दिया because we have given the condition like here. Third, now next example is second function is pop function. With the pop function also you can remove value from your list or remove element from a list. Let's take the example. I have written here, this is my, again I have taken a new value. L value is Python, and I'm going to remove 3. I will write a 3. 3 again the same thing. L dot pop means I want to remove third value from my list, as we have done just now using the del function. So pop 3 लिखा, so means I can remove this value from my list, and इस value को remove करने के बाद F के अंदर I can store only that particular value which I have just deleted. So 3 के अंदर क्या था H, 3 location पे क्या था H. So H आपका F में जाके store हो जाएगा, and when I will write print F, you can see the deleted value जो आपने अभी delete करा, you can see that particular value. And if you will write L, in that case you can see rest other values except H. So H is not there. उसके अलावा you can see all other values, all other elements. So using pop also you can delete one particular value from your list. Now, if you will not pass any parameter, you will not write anything inside the round bracket of pop function, what will happen? So in that case, you can remove last value from a list. Last value means you can see here L dot pop, and जो भी value delete होगी वो आपका F में जाके store हो गई. And when you will write here print F, so print F means you can see the deleted value. If you will not pass any argument, if you will not write anything inside the round bracket, by default वो automatically last value को ले लेगा. And when you will print L, then you will see last value is not there, except last value, sari values are here, because last value we have already deleted with the help of pop function. Now the next, there is one more function, that is remove. So remove is used to again remove values from your list. But in this case, you are going to specify the value or element here. You are not going to write the location with the help of remove when you are going to remove your elements from the list. So this is my list values. L dot remove y means I want to remove this particular value from my list. This time I have not mentioned the location. I am writing directly the element value. So L dot remove, I have written y, and when I will write here print L, so you can see this is your output. Y is not there because Y we have removed. So rest everything is there. So this is another function to remove values from a list, but this time we are removing with the help of elements. Now next, one more function is there, that is called clear. It does not take any value. You cannot pass any value in clear function. If you will write this thing, it uh, it will remove each and every element from a list. So when you will write print L, you will not get anything. सब कुछ delete हो जाएगा list में से. So this is how you can remove or you can clear your list. So after executing this command, your list L list will be empty. Now without using any function, with the help of using slicing, I want to remove some values from a list. So for that, what I'm going to do here, this is my list, and if I will write here 1:5, 1:5, let me execute this code. Let me make the comment so that I can see only this particular output, and then let me press F5 to see the output, and as we can see here, you can see the output here. So all codings are working. See, I've said 1:5. 1:5 means I want to remove first location, say first, second, third, fourth. I want to remove 4 values from my list. So 4 value, first location क्या है, which is y. यहाँ से you will count 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So I have removed 4 values. First location की value, second location, third location and fourth location. The highlighted part will be removed. So ये वाला part जो highlighted है, that will remove, and जो बच जाएगा, that will be PON. So you can see in the output there is a value PON. Because I have not mentioned here the output, that's why I have executed this code. So if you will remove 1:5, 1:5 means from first location से लेके till fourth location, you can remove all the values from the list. And when you will write print L, in that case you can see the output, that is P, the first value, and the last 2 values, that is O and N. This will be your output. So without using any function, with the help of slicing also, you can remove some particular elements or values from your list. Now we are going to compare 2 lists. First of all, I am going to create 2 lists for comparison purpose. There are 2 lists. First list name is M, whose value is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the second list name is N, whose value is 5, 6, 7, 8. So m की value is 1 2 3 4 and the value of n is 5 6 7 8. I want to compare whether both are equal or not. So I will write here print m equal to n. It means my condition is false because both are not equal. First value को वो first value से compare करेगा, second value को second value से, this way it will keep on checking. So third को 7 से and fourth को 8 से. So all values are different, so that's why you will get the answer false. Now, if you will uh, check m is greater than n, which is again false because all values of m is less than n. So condition is again false, so that's why you will get this answer false. अब हम check कर रहे हैं whether the value of m is less than n. Condition is true, yes. सारी वैल्यू m's की n से छोटी है, that condition is true, so that's why I'm getting answer in true. So all these are comparison operator using this greater than equal to, less than equal to, or equal to you can compare, or you can call this relational operator also. So if you want to compare two lists, this is the way how you can do it. Now there are some other methods also in list manipulation. We are going to use that. First one is your index. It returns the element index of the element. Suppose if I will write here L, this is my list value, and इस लिस्ट में से I want to find out the index value of y, means y की location क्या है. So location of y is 1 because it starts from 0. If I will say the location of p, so you know what will be the output, because there are 2p. So it will give you the location of this one. Answer will be 0 if I will write here p, because there are जो भी पहला आएगा alphabet उसको count कर लेगा. If I will say t, the answer will be 0 1 2. So answer will be 2. So value will store in u, and when you will write here print u, so you can see the output. 1 will be your output because y की location is 1. Next one is hash count. It returns the number of occurrence of elements in a list. So how many times p are there? As you can see, I have written intentionally p twice so that we can count how many times p are there in my list. So c equal to l dot count p. p means आपका जो p है that is twice in my list. So answer is. Now the next function is reverse function, which is going to reverse all the elements of a list. So this is my list value and I'm going to use reverse function to reverse all the values, and when I'm going to write here print L, so this will be your output. So you can see all the values in reverse order. Now the next function is sort function. Sort function means it sorts the element in ascending order by default. So these are the values: grapes, apple, orange and banana. I have taken these 4 names here, and when I will write L dot sort, by default it will sort in ascending order, and when we are going to display value print L, so this will be your output: apple, banana, grapes and orange. So you can see आपका जो list है that is coming in ascending order. And if you want to convert it into descending order, so the next command will be L dot sort reverse equal to true, means the sorted values को आप reverse में करोगे. So first you will sort in ascending order and the same thing you will do it in the reverse order. So उसके बाद जब आप print L लिखेंगे, so the output will be like this. Now len function is used to count the length of a list, how many total number of elements are there in a list, and it always starts from 1. 0 से start नहीं होता. Normally values start होती है 0 से list की when we calculate. But when we are talking about len function, which is going to which will count total number of size of an element, so that will start from 1. So as you can see, if I will start from 0, तो 0 1 2 3 answer आता, but it's coming 4, so it means it starts from 1 2 3 and 4. So len will tell you total number of elements in your list. Now, the last command for today is membership operator, which will check whether your item exists in a list or not. So for that, this is my list value or list elements, and with the help of this command I am going to check whether P is there or not in my list. So the list को कौन indicate कर रहा है? List को represent कर रहा है L. So मैं यहाँ check कर रही हूँ P L के अंदर है या नहीं. So P is there in L. As you can, there are two P's. So the answer will be true. यहाँ पे चेक करा X in L, मतलब X इस लिस्ट के अंदर है या नहीं है. So it's not there, so answer will be false. Now you can use not in to check whether it is not there. So I am saying कि P is not in list L. So it's saying false because P is there. So that's why it's saying कि it's not there means condition is false. Now I am saying X is not there in list. So right, X is not there. So condition will be true. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next video. Till then, happy coding.